In sandblasting, the abrasive defines the detail. Silicon carbide has ultra-high hardness and sharp edges for more powerful sandblasting. This test, we used silicon carbide number 100 for sandblasting, glass containers, acrylic sheets, and mirrors. Let's see the results. Glass sandblasting. Through sandblasting etching, ordinary glassware becomes unique art pieces. Acrylic sandblasting. Apply a favorite logo, blast once, and create business signs or nameplates with fine engravings that last. Mirror sandblasting. Sandblasting gives mirrors a premium frosted effect. Customize patterns, create unique designs.